Good Tuesday morning to you, Danbury. I am student meteorologist Stephen Matregrano here with your afternoon update. Taking a look outside, we have some sunshine and clouds making their way through the area. We have some rain on the way, but you wouldn't know that by looking at this picture. But currently in Danbury, as of 12:30, temperature of 39 degrees, the dew point's 13 degrees, and the winds are calm under partly cloudy skies. My weather headlines: rain tonight, that'll push its way through, so Wednesday looks to be overall a pretty nice day. But as that rain pushes through with the cold front, we have below normal temperatures on the way for the rest of the work week and into the early part of the weekend. And Friday snow, that's a real possibility heading into the latter part of the week. I'll have more on that in my extended forecast coming up in just a bit. So current temperatures across the state, generally in the 30s north and west, 40s along the coast and further east. So temperatures will be rising a bit through the rest of the afternoon into the lower and middle 40s. But I do anticipate that we do see some rain later on this evening and not snow, so that means that the temperatures will be staying above freezing for the rest of today. So northeast radar, we are dry for right now. There's precipitation off to the west over the Great Lakes region. That will be making its way in our area for tonight and into the overnight hours. And the satellite, there's those clouds that I just showed you a bit ago making their way through the area. And here's that storm system that will be affecting us later on tonight and in the overnight hours. It's ever so slowly making its way towards us, but it'll be bringing us some rain as a cold front makes its way through the area overnight tonight. So here's the setup for tonight. We have a low pressure system off to our west, where we have a cold front over the mid-Atlantic region making its way further north and east. So as we get between the warm front and the cold front, it will allow for southerly winds to bring moisture up and also warmer temperatures. So as we get into the latter part of the evening, don't be surprised if the temperatures begin to get a little bit warmer, but it won't be noticeably like last week when we had temperatures in the 60s. Now, as we head into the early part of Wednesday, more so the morning hours before the sunrise, we have the cold front making its way through with any showers ending early part of Wednesday morning, and then behind that we have cooler temperatures, and maybe a stray shower or two cannot be ruled out, but I do think most of Wednesday will actually turn out to be pretty nice. And heading into Tuesday for the rest of this afternoon, we have a high of 47 degrees, increasing clouds, and a bit mild winds north at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And for overnight, we have periods of rain and breezy. That 45, temperatures will be rising a bit ahead of the cold front, and then after the cold front, things will come crashing down for your day on Wednesday. So tomorrow we have decreasing clouds and temperatures falling. The high of 45 will be happening in the early part of the morning hours, and as the rest of the day progresses, the temperature will drop through the mid 30s down into the middle part of the 30s around dinner time, say Wednesday night. So my extended forecast, again, tomorrow decreasing clouds 45. Thursday, we cool things off quite a bit, sunny and chilly 33. Friday, snow chances return. This could be our last one for quite some time. And we have a high of 34, and again, the light snow looks to be all that there could be. I don't think the big storm will be in our cards for later this week. But heading into the weekend, regardless of what happens on Friday, sunshine and clouds and temperatures in the upper 30s to around 40, which is actually going to be quite seasonable for this time of year. So be sure to check out Crystal Sherlin tomorrow at 3 p.m. or like us on Facebook, the WestConn Weather Team. Now for the WestConn Weather Team, I'm student meteorologist Stephen Matregrano. Thank you guys and have a great afternoon.